Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some dogs, E-I-E-I-O. With a bhav-bhav here and a bhav-bhav there. Here a bhav, there a bhav, everywhere a bhav-bhav. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some cats, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there. Here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Hello my dear children, welcome back. Children, today I will tell you the names of different domestic animals and pet animals. So come on children, let's start. Domestic animals. Domestic animals are the animals that can easily coexist with humans without hurting each other. They depend on humans for its shelter, food, and water. Pet animals are domestic animals that are kept as a companion and treated with fondness. Let's learn few domestic animals. Dog, dog. Cat, cat. Cow, cow. Buffalo, buffalo. Goat, goat. Horse, horse. Donkey, donkey. Camel, camel. Sheep, sheep. Rabbit, rabbit. Pig, pig. Duck, duck. Hen, hen. Fish, fish. Okay children, that's all for today. See you next time. Till then, bye bye. Have fun.